Hello, I'm Marky Dragon, and this is, what should we call it? Lightning? The storms here are massive, and we got a doozy coming through. I love how big the storms are, but this one is, let's say, it is, well, it's pretty big. So, I'm not sure what I'm going to, the problem is here is that we lose power a lot. And some storms like this, the storm hasn't even really hit us yet. I was looking on the Weather Channel, and it's not even hit us yet. And this is, we're still in the yellow on the radar. And there's a whole band of red coming down towards us. Definitely going to be exciting. So, this is, oh, shit. Oh my God. Holy cow. Oh my God. That was the loudest lightning I have ever heard in my life. Oh my God. Boy, I tell you, that scared me. Holy cow, that scared me. I've never seen or heard lightning that loud before in my life. And we're about to move to Tampa. Tampa being the lightning capital of the United States. I'd love to go out there. I got the safety of the carport here, which maybe, I don't know how safe it is really, but, I would love to go out and get in the rain. That'd be fun. But I don't know that I'm that daring. So, but anyway, we're about to move to Tampa, lightning capital of the United States. And that should be interesting. Our house that we've got there, I'm really looking forward to it because there's a couple of things. One is it's on a lake. It has a pond in the front. There's no houses in the front of us, and it's on a lake in the back. And the lake is pretty big, I'm not quite sure how big it really is, but I would estimate 20 or 30 acres. The size of the lake, and so we have a really good view of sunset, and should have a great view. We can see the skyline really good, and we should have a oh my God. That just knocked the light on here. That light wasn't turned on. I mean, oh my God. Wow. It's like I can feel the electricity in the air. That is some scary shit. It's like I'm going to move away. Oh my God. That is pretty incredible. I have never experienced anything like this in my life. Maybe I should put some shoes on. Man. I mean, this is just incredible. Maybe I can get down here and get a little bit of a view of the sky here. Maybe we'll see a little bit of excitement. Man. I don't know what kind of lightning this is, but it's damn impressive. I don't know that it's good for me to even be out here. Cameras, I can see the camera's having trouble focusing. Wow. Yeah, it's having a bit of trouble focusing, isn't it? There's our trash, which is left over from the hurricane. The hurricane, they ended up not picking up the garbage that entire week, and then today was garbage day, and they never came by, so I don't know what's going on with that. Anyway, I wonder if the worst has passed us. That stuff was really incredible. I don't know, am I nuts to even be out here? I may be. I really do not have a whole lot of experience with lightning. And this stuff is just really amazing. Holy shit. Oh my god. Oh my god. Whoa. Oh man, that gets my heart going. Oh man, I haven't seen any bolts coming down. And so I suspect that this is like sheet lightning, but I don't really know. I think it's time for me to go in the house. I don't really need to, you know, lose my life over the excitement of a storm. And so I think that's good enough. I think I have had like 3 heart attacks during the filming of this video. Take care, everybody. Well, so I'm staying up. I'm here in the corner of the house, and I mean I'm all the way over here. Let's just say that it is quite stormy, and this may be the biggest storm I've ever been in as far as lightning goes. It's knocked out power a couple of times. We unplugged all the computers. In fact, it knocked out the circuit breakers in the house. I had to go and pop a couple of them. They were popped. So even though I'm watching the store right now, I had to message Alex and ask her to watch the store because I can't keep my internet connection. The power going in and out and everything, and I don't want to have anything plugged in. I went around, I turned everything off and unplugged them all and everything. This is just incredible, absolutely incredible. You know, even after the first part of this video that I shot, I mean, just massive lightning, or should I say thunder, and it's just the loudest I have ever heard in my life. What was really funny is that light over here. This light never does turn on all the way. It's like it doesn't get enough power. Did you see it? Did you see in the video about where it was it turned on? Holy shit! Oh my god! Previously, where it turned on, and that I think was just the static in the air. Gave it the extra boost. So we bought some things for the hurricane. This is a little Red Cross radio with a light and solar panel, and it has a hand crank. It came in handy tonight, so I was able to use it. Man, this is just incredible, absolutely incredible. So I don't know, maybe it's even foolish to even be standing out here. Maybe I should be in the house, but it's I don't know what to say. So, got a weather alert on my phone. It's a little late. So, yeah. So that's Lisa. She's out with some friends tonight. Says she's at a restaurant and they're getting hit hard by the storm as well. And she says it's a good thing they had candlelight on all the tables there because the power's out there too. It's just amazing. I can't. Well, maybe here I'll bring it up on my phone. I'll show you what this storm looks like, and it's just pretty incredible. Yes, flash flood watch from the National Weather Service, and then thunderstorms. Oh yeah. So this is my phone, and the areas in yellow, I'm not sure what those are. I think that's a high wind warning. And then what we've got here is, here, let me set this down. Oh, good switch. Then what we've got is the direction of the storms and everything. I am that green dot in the middle there, which you can see the storm. We're straight in the path of that storm, and it looks like we're heading out of the center there. I don't know. Yeah, it looks like the most of it's gone by, which I'm glad. There's all kinds of car alarms going off. I don't know if it's picking it up on the camera or not, on the microphone. But anyway, that is what it looks like right now. And it's just, man, I'm just cringing every time I'm hearing that now. Well, I'm going to have to, I think that one of the things I need to do is, I mean, if I wasn't home right now, I couldn't unplug everything. And so, with stuff like this, especially when we're moving to some place that has even more lightning than here, I need to probably invest in really high joule surge protectors. I know I have batteries on my main computer, and so my main computer stayed up and running when the power went out, but I don't know. Man, this is some scary shit, I tell you. It's, I don't know, I think that, oh, there's the police. I'm sure they're checking out the, let's see if we can get some focus here. Come on, focus. There we go. Yeah, you can hear the alarms going off. Maybe that's a home alarm. I don't know if I'm like too close to the action. Woo!